routine call on your iPhone iOS 27. Simply just open your settings, general software update your iOS 27. I'm already updated my iOS 27. Go to your main settings page, scroll down, press onto apps, and just find here to phone apps. Just open this, scroll down. So follow this, showing it to skin unknown caller option. If you want to select neighbor, then not showing it to this option. So you just select to silent or ask region for call, just select on, and make sure to call filtering unknown call, showing it to filter option. So when you receive any phone call from any unknown number, then you can filter this, then provide notification and call filtering. That's it.